The Herefords and Pole Herefords were now in the junior senior bull and champion bull and the Newcombe Livestock Reserve champion bull. We have a winner, number 169 is the junior champion bull. This is exhibited, this is J10 exhibited by Chris Law, and our reserve champion is number 168, Amion Domino, exhibited by David Birchall. And I'll hand over to our judge, Tim Vincent, for his comments.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I've gone for the older bull here in the junior champion class. I just felt this fella, as he's matured and developed, you see the carcass starting to lay that in him. He's good and strong. When he walks out, he's very smooth when he paced along there. He's filling in behind nicely. He's got a good sleek coat on him, which is indicated as softness and that to me. And just a very complete bull for his age. You can make it. And it's just, as I said earlier, this young fella here just needs a bit of time to grow into himself now. He's only a young bull for his age. He's got plenty of carcass development to happen yet. And he's got a lot of bone and a heavy bone pattern there, so I'm sure he'll end up growing into a big, strong fella. Just hasn't got the smoothness and that of the fella.
The Herefords now we move into class 13. This bull's 24 months, not over 30 months. Just got in class 13, just the one entry. And then in class 14, which is bulls 30 months and over, it's just the one entry. And the judge will make his comments at the conclusion of the judging of the senior champion bull.
In ring 1 we have the result in class 2, Brahman female 4 months and over 16. First is C Miss Crunchie, exhibited by Elaine and Scott Edwards.
Thanks very much. Well, we're lacking a bit of comparison in the class. The female would like to love that. She's a very sweet female, very good on those feet. She tracks out really well. Probably lacking a little bit of natural fitness when she stands up and is actually a bit too close to her.